Hello, it's Tuesday the 9th, I'm FX Plu and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. The headlines today are that rumours continue of a Brexit deal, the euro is being driven by Italian politics and the dollar rally slows ahead of the midterm elections. So is there really a viable Brexit deal on the table? Given how the FX markets have become a little bit more sceptical about a deal recently, shown by the lack of demand to buy sterling, it would be really rather ironic. Yesterday the rumours were over whether Brexit Minister Dominic Raab was or was not travelling to Brussels. Hardly progressive in the grander scheme of things, but when Downing Street refused to confirm or deny Raab's whereabouts, it certainly fanned the flames. He will address Parliament later today on the state of play, so be aware of a slight volatility risk around there. Cable had a volatile day yesterday, seeing a low of 130.30 and closing up higher at 130.90. Sterling euro closed just under 114 on the day. This week's ECB meeting is unlikely to bring any surprises, so the main driver for the euro are Brexit and Italian politics. Brussels has accused Rome of creating a budget that will deliberately flout the spending rules put in place to ensure financial stability. Italy's economy minister seems happy to look at scaling back the budget, but remember, he did threaten resignation over the original budget construct after all. But the cabinet, and certainly the Prime Minister in particular, is in no mood for compromise right now. Looking ahead, the budget plan will be vetted by Brussels by mid-October, and confrontation looks likely around then. So that can only really risk harm to the single currency in the short term. The euro indeed resumed its fall yesterday, and euro dollar dropped to 114.60. The dollar index has run into a little resistance around the 96 figure. Whilst the Fed does continue to promote the underlying strength of the US economy, it will take a little bit more than anecdotal evidence for the dollar to rally much further. We may see the dollar enter a subdued state during the back end of October, as traders are unlikely and generally reluctant to take new positions ahead of the midterm elections. They are carded for November the 6th. We'll keep you posted, of course. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below, please.